Hey, what's going on, my beautiful people? In today's video, we're going to talk about why I feel you should be starting your YouTube channel today. Remember back in the day when you used to go to YouTube, go to Google for how to change a tire? Today, I'm going to do that just for you. I'm going to put this tire here on that vehicle. And by the end of this video, hopefully I can convince you that you should be starting your YouTube journey today. You don't need any previous education. You don't even need a license to start YouTube. So what is a better time than now to start your YouTube journey? I don't know what I'm doing right now. So if you see me on the street with 3 tires, just mind your business, all right? So at this point, I have multiple channels. I have going on 4 channels that I am running right now in this current moment. And when I first started, I had nothing but $1 and a dream. I can tell you what I did have: determination. I had strong research skills, a healthy and able body, a voice, which honestly, there's a lot of people who don't have a voice. I had somewhat perfect eyesight. That has changed over the years. When I started out, I literally had an iPhone 3 and strong SEO skills. That was actually something that really helped me out. That was beneficial. Like knowing how to search, how to place my videos and my website in front of the right eyeballs was a really beneficial and strong skill to have. So I'm not even gonna lie and say that, oh, anyone can do it. Because as I said in my last video, no, YouTube is very hard. And if you're not intentional, if you don't want to put the time and the effort into doing the research and understanding, what it is that the audience wants to see from you, you're going to struggle very bad. YouTube is no longer a how-to avenue anymore. I mean, it still is, but at the same time, you're competing with a lot of entertainment, a lot of things that keep your attention for as long as possible. I want you guys to go do me a favor. Do it from an account where you don't normally use, and I want you to look up children videos. Look up YouTube Shorts, look up viral shorts, and just look at how simple those videos are. Doesn't seem like it takes much effort at all, but the watch time hours and the engagement that they get on those videos, I mean, it could be something like, what was my stepson watching the other day? He was watching a video where they were simply doing this loop of certain animals. And I promise you, he went through that for like 30 minutes straight. The same channel, same animals. It was crazy. I still believe in the advice that if you want to get better at YouTube, you have to watch more YouTube. When you watch more YouTube, you'll see that creators are literally putting out the blueprint for how to get more audience retention, more engagement, and how to be successful here on this platform. I'm a firm believer that if you want to start YouTube, you absolutely must start it today. And I'm not saying it because there's like this deadline on when YouTube is going to stop allowing you to start up accounts, but I'm saying it because the more excuses you give yourself not to start something, the higher the likelihood that you won't start. So what better time than today? You have an able body. Like I said before, you have a sound mind. You're here. Clearly, if you're here, it's because you want to learn how to become a better YouTuber. And just like I'm not an expert at changing tires, I had to eventually start somewhere. Now, that doesn't mean I'm about to become an auto mechanic, like not even by a long shot, but I'm willing to learn and to strengthen my knowledge gap. Well, that's it, guys. As I've changed this tire, hopefully I've been able to change your mindset about how you should be really taking it serious about starting YouTube today. If you're over 40, listen, you've got some valuable advice, some valuable information that people are searching for. It was Les Brown that said, when you're lying on your deathbed and your conscience is talking to you about all the things that you should have done while you were here, you don't want to be haunted by your future version of yourself coming in saying, we had this idea for you and you only. And what did you do? You squandered it away. You did not live up to your potential. So if YouTube is the avenue that you want to go to reach your dreams or to reach your full potential, you need to answer that call. So if you found this video valuable, please do me a favor and subscribe, like, share it with whoever. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video.